Hello everyone, we're back and we have navigated Ubuntu a little bit. Now let's install our IDE. Okay, first thing we'll do is install Visual Studio Code. We will go to the Microsoft Store to do that. And we'll type in Visual Studio. Okay, and Visual Studio Code. And we'll install it. Okay, and it's completed. Let's run it. Okay, it came up with this file that is from a previous time. I am going to say don't save. Okay, and I'm going to try a terminal. And you notice it did not give me a choice of what kind of terminal it did. Okay, you don't want any of these. What you want is a bash terminal, and we don't have that yet. So what we will do is we'll go out to the Git website, we'll install Git, and that will give us our bash extensions we need. Okay, close that out. I'm closed out of Visual Basic Studio. Hit my bookmark for it. Okay, go to downloads. We want to download for Windows. Okay, wait until McAfee scans it. And we'll run it. Microsoft, so this is not a Microsoft app. Too bad. Install it anyway. Okay, and here it tells you what's new. Okay, and I'll use Visual Studio Code as the default editor because I got it and I am kind of used to it. Just click through the rest of it. Okay, and it's marching right along. Okay, don't need to see the release notes. Let's see if it worked. Okay, working in Visual Studio Code. And it's still not behaving itself for some reason. Okay, I opened it up and closed it up again. It seems to be better now for some reason. I did not have that file open. That seems to be confusing it for some reason. Okay, you can see git bash. That's what we want right there. Now let's make a file. Go File, New Text File. And it does not have bash, so I just sit there and start typing. And I'm going to run this in the run this as a text file in Ubuntu. So what I want to do is I want to just start. I want to have a shebang. That's a hash mark with a exclamation point. And then you go slash. Don't forget the slash. USR for user. Bin slash bash. Okay, it likes that. And we will say hello world in bash. Okay, now we'll save the file. Okay, you notice it's coming. Okay, alright, it's in my Ubuntu directory anyway. Just remember to get to my Ubuntu directory, you go WSL $, //WSL $, you hit enter. It goes to Ubuntu. You then go to home. You then go to student because that's where you got your rights. And I'm going to save it as test.sh. It's going to tell me I've already got it there. Oh, do you want to replace it? I got it from the last time I tried this. Okay, there it is. Now, what I want to do now is I want to start whistle. I want to start WSL. I'm going to do a command prompt. There it is. Okay, and it started WSL. Now, you notice right now it'll mount. It's actually in the Windows file. I want to get it out of there, so I go cd // slash / that should be enough. Okay, and I go cd home. I don't put the first slash on because it's a subdirectory. Home student. Okay, I'm right there. And you notice I have the file there. Now, you have to modify the permissions because it will not let you run the file without that. So you go chmod 755. Okay, and I hit a tab there. I said TE, and then I hit the tab and it completed it. So that means it knows what I'm talking about. Okay, and to run it, you go /. Okay, and since it completed it, it understands the command. And we have hello world. So we've got our first file. And next thing we need to do is we need to run the clone, which runs the same whether you're in WSL or whether you're in Ubuntu. You just have to be careful because when you put in that token, it just sits there. You have to trust that it does it and just put enter. Anyway, that's the end of this portion, and I hope it helps.